It's a great time to be part of Sonepar. Our business is growing, we're transforming in a number of areas. And for me, it's just great to see the new talent coming in, learn about their capabilities, learn about what their needs are. The company culture at Sonepar is very people-oriented. People are our greatest asset, and we spend a lot of time working on not only bringing in new talent, but developing existing talent and making sure those people have opportunities for advancement within the organization, both locally and on a global basis.
I couldn't have asked for a better employer. They are really caring and have great benefits and just want you to be able to have growth.
There's so much opportunity for where they might end up that even brand new roles are created for our associates. They pave their own way sometimes.
Leadership's really invested in your professional growth. They're investing a lot in you. They want to see you succeed. So they'll work with you to understand, okay, what does that passion look like? What does that role look like?
When I think about all the transformation that Sonepar is going through, especially on topics that speak to my generation, digital, sustainability, I feel like me being here at this point is going to be awesome for my personal experience, and I hope to provide all I can to the company.
Though it's a very large global organization, you still feel like you know everyone and everyone knows you.
They want you to actually become a leader.
It's an incredible time for us to see these new people coming in with the capabilities they have and the talent that we're bringing into the organization. Bring your ambitions to Sonepar.